Forum for Democratic Change's Mwijuke was involved in a car crash accident yesterday, claiming lives of 2 children. Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining us live on Projan Media TV. And if it's your first time to be on this platform, kindly do one thing: subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. At least 2 people were confirmed dead after the Buhweju County Member of Parliament, Honorable Francis Mwijuche's lavish vehicle rammed into 2 pedestrians at Buuma town along Kampala-Masaka Road. According to Katonga Region Police spokesperson Lydia Tumushabe, the accident involved Honorable Mwijuche car registered as MPY2 and a motorcycle registration number UDX 577E, whose owner was not immediately identified. Tumushabe identified the 2 dead pedestrians as 13-year-old Nabukenya Florence and Lubyai Tedias, aged 9 years, all residents of Mbizinya in Buama Town Council. The motorcycle rider who was injured was rushed to Gomba Hospital in Mpigi district, and the dead bodies of the deceased were also taken to the mortuary for post-mortem examination to be carried out. The scene of the accident was visited by Mpigi District Traffic Police Department led by Natumanya Albert, and the vehicle together with the mangled motorcycle were towed away to Buama Police Station awaiting inspection by Inspector of Vehicles. The case of fatal accident was registered at Buama Police Station under reference number TAR 45/2021 to help in investigations. This is the second similar accident in space of 2 years for MP Mwijuche Francis. Similarly, the National Unit Platform Chief Whip John Baptist Nambeshe survived an accident along Jinja-Kampala Highway in Njeru Trading Center. Nambeshe escaped unhurt, but his vehicle was affected and remains impounded at Njeru Police Station. Well, that is it. May the soul of the 2 deceased rest in peace, as MP Francis Mwijuche is in pain on his sick bed after yesterday's accident. We wish for him a very quick recovery. Well, thanks for watching Projan Media TV, and we'll keep on updating with more of this. Kindly do one thing: subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.
Of Kentucky basketball standout Terrence Clark has died after a car crash in Northridge.
At just 19 years old, the freshman guard was preparing for the NBA draft. Just yesterday, signing with major sports agency Clutch Sports before tragedy struck. Tonight, new surveillance video shows the crash unfold at 2 o'clock this afternoon on Winnetka Avenue and Nordhoff Street. Police say Clark ran a red light, slammed into another car before losing control, hitting a pole and a wall. He was the only person in the car. First responders rushed Clark to Northridge Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The other driver was not hurt. Let's go live now to David Pingalore, who joins us in studio as the sports world is mourning tonight for the rising star. Ping.
The young man has touched many lives with a bright future ahead of him, tragically cut short. Terrence Clark was a highly touted prospect coming out of high school in Boston, where he chose to go to the University of Kentucky over schools like Duke, Texas, and UCLA. Clark was limited to just 7 games because of an ankle injury this year, averaging nearly 10 points per game. The 19-year-old was considered to be the city of Boston's best prospect in years, a gifted athlete. He was in Los Angeles getting himself ready for this summer's upcoming draft, where he was projected to go into the 2nd round. A number of athletes reacted to the news, along with his former college coach, John Calipari. In a statement, he said in part, "A young person who we all love has just lost his life too soon, one with all his dreams and hopes ahead of him. Terrence Clark was a beautiful kid, someone who owned the room with his personality, smile, and joy." LeBron James, who was part of Clutch Sports, taking to Instagram, posting a photo of Clark, captioning the post, "Rest in paradise, nephew." Before entering Kentucky, he was ranked the 8th best high school basketball player in the country. This is a young man that touched many lives. Rick?